SmugMug Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. SmugMug is a photo storage and sharing platform, but most people get this wrong. They assume pricing is high for casual users. The surprising truth is that SmugMug offers tiered plans to suit both hobbyists and professional photographers. The basic plan starts at per month, providing unlimited photo uploads, customizable galleries, and basic security. You won't believe the perks on higher tiers. Power, Portfolio, and Pro plans range from to per month and include advanced analytics, e-commerce tools, and custom branding, perfect for selling prints or running a photography business. Most people get this wrong by comparing SmugMug only to free cloud storage. They overlook the added value of marketing tools, client-proofing features, and robust privacy options. Annual subscriptions also provide discounts and extra storage perks. In conclusion, SmugMug pricing is flexible and feature-rich. By understanding plan tiers, business features, and storage benefits, you go from zero to pro in selecting the right plan for personal use or professional photography.